Hey YouTube, it's Alex Desla. So I'm thinking of starting a YouTube channel. I keep getting told I should. Apparently I do interesting stuff, so maybe you guys want to see some of it. Anyway, so I guess this will be the introduction. I don't know what we're going to call this, but let's cut to a couple of clips to show you the kinds of things that I'm doing. So here you can see I got a couple 3D printers. This one here is currently working on something. Unfortunately, the Ender 7 isn't quite thoughtfully designed for looking at your print while it goes. You can sort of see it from over top, but that's about the best view you're ever going to get. Over here, I've got my Prusa, and it's a nice little reliable machine. Broke the filament sensor inside of here. Luckily I don't need it. This here is printed in glow-in-the-dark PLA. It's supposed to be a capacitor. We'll see how well this works. As you can see, I've got lines going down each end. And I got a support structure here to support the mirror image of this down at the bottom. But before this gets tested, that's going to have to get removed, and we'll have to see whether or not these lines actually printed open at the bottom. They are less than 1 millimeter apart, so we'll have to get lucky for that to work out. Now inside of here, I don't know if you can see this, there we go. It's got threads, and those threads are going to be handle on these pieces here, and this center hole here will fit a screw, again some support material to remove, that'll feed down into and contact the solution, which I'm going to be sticking inside of here. Now, inside of here, what I would really like to do is I'd like to get some liquid mercury and fill this with mercury. Unfortunately, I don't have any, and I don't really feel like ordering any, because I don't really have that much of a use for it, and I gotta make sure this thing doesn't leak first. And again, second piece for the second side. This will create a capacitor approximately that big. We're gonna have to put a measurement on it and see what the capacitance of it is, but should be fairly decent with that many wraps. And